This is from 1936. Robert Johnson wrote it. I don't think he wrote it. They probably stole it.
I said, come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to the land of California, sweet old Chicago. I said, come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on. Back to the land of California, sweet old Chicago. 1, 1 and 2, and 2 and 2 is 4. I'm heavy loaded, baby. I'm booking, I gotta go, and I'm riding fast. Honey, don't you wanna go back to the same old place, sweet old Chicago? 2 and 2 is 4, and 4 and 2 is 6. Keep on looking around here, Fred boy, get your business up in a fix. I'm riding, baby. Honey, don't you wanna go back to the land of California, sweet old Chicago? 6 and 2 is 8, and 8 and 2 is 10. She do it to you one time, Fred, she sure gonna do it again. I'm riding, baby. Honey, don't you wanna go back to the land of California, sweet old Chicago? All right. Back to the land of California, sweet old Chicago. Well, I'm going to California, from there I'm going out west. Somebody gonna tell me, girl, you need my help someday. I'm crying, baby. Honey, don't you wanna go back to the land of California, sweet old Chicago?
This is from 1936. Robert Johnson wrote it. I don't think he wrote it. They probably stole it.